I'll remember it forever, the KL Rahul gesture which floored debutant Cameron Green. India vs Australia. Green thought he would receive a bit of a hostile reception, which is why he was all the more pleasantly surprised by Rahul's gesture, something the 21-year-old admits he'll always remember. The newest member of the Australian cricket team, Cameron Green, has admitted that he was taken back by the warmth showed by India wicketkeeper KL Rahul during the third ODI in Canberra on Friday. Green, who was making his Australia debut, revealed he was nervous when he walked into bat, but Rahul was kind enough to share a few words that made the youngster feel welcome. "I was actually taken back with how nice KL Rahul was behind the stumps. He asked me whether I was nervous or not and I just replied saying yeah, I was a little bit nervous. He was like yeah, go well youngster type of thing. So I was actually a bit taken back," Green said after the match. Green became the 230th player from Australia to play one-day international cricket for his country. After receiving his cap from former captain Steve Smith, Green bowled 4 overs in which he went wicketless for 27 runs. With the bat, Green walked in at number 5 and scored 21 off 27 with a 4 and 6 before he perished in the deep off the bowling of Kuldeep Yadav. Green thought he would receive a bit of a hostile reception, which is why he was all the more pleasantly surprised by Rahul's gesture, something the 21-year-old admits he'll always remember. "I thought it would have been pretty opposite because, while bowling, I think Virat was trying to be pretty loud at the time. Finchie tried to get under his skin with a couple of words. So yeah, I was a bit taken back with how nice that was. I'll remember that forever," Green added. Please save the trees and nature. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.